Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yeah. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree.
Yo, what's cracking? What's up? What's up, Real Robot? Adrian Chong in the house. Trader Mo's, Tony Gold, Miss K. What is up, Miss K? Adrian, what is up? Let's see. If we had a good day trading, the short on NQ was a good one. Yeah, real good. AR-15 Patriots, what's going on? Nathan managed to pass the buffer, but I have to wait, I think, 7 days for a pro account. Oh, nice. Adrian. David T in the house. Lay, what's going on? What's up, Forex Elite? Joseph, I need one. I need a win tonight. Let's go. Let's go, Miss Trent Surfer in the house. Elias, or Eli, I should say. What's going on? iTrades, HR, Apple, Ryan Wiggins, trading on Tilt, Michelle, Paulinos. Yes, today was a good day. Overall, really good day. Ooh, look, gap down here. Gap down, gap down, gap down. Like last night, market's open, guys. Today was a really good day. Locked in a builder payout. And I got my Flex account up to $4,183, so that's pretty good. I gotta turn down the music, sorry. Sorry. A little rushed. I was trying to do some things, change my camera around. Every single time I have to stream on My Funny Futures TV, I end up having to change my camera, and then it's really annoying. And then when I stream on my own stream, I have to change my camera, so it's like back and forth, like every day. So I just kind of want like this in the frame, and then me, and that's it. I mean, I like to keep it simple, but it's funny. I asked My Funny Futures TV this morning, before I hopped on, I go, can you guys see my corner cabinet with my neon signs? And they said, yes. So then I get on stream, and then half of it's cut off. Ooh, look at this dump here. Dumpski. What an afternoon pump. Holy cow, power hour. Oh no, this isn't power hour. This is earnings. Was this earnings? Jeez, look at that pump. I love it. I love this volatility. Get a second camera for it. Yeah. Let's put it on the side. Well, Jordan in the house. What's up? Wafa, what's going on? Who else we got? Mahmood? Did we make some money today? Yeah, we did good. Jack Boom in the house. Ichimoku. Paulino. Ryan Wiggins. Michelle, what's going on? Oh yeah, we got to do, we're going to start the giveaway. 250 likes, guys. We'll do a giveaway tonight. It's amazing. Let's do it. Also doing a giveaway over on my X. Follow me at Pine Tree Trader. Can do another. I'm doing a Lucid giveaway over there as well. Giving away a Lucid Pro tonight. 50K. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. All right, we're getting a little pump here off that low, 655, down about 55, or actually it's still up, green. Wondering if we fill the open down 55 points from here. So I should say the close, which was 615. All right, it's getting that drop now. P-Long in the house. What's going on? Like before you type. I like that, Miss K. Like before you type. Long to fill the cap. Vanessa, what's up? Sire in the house. What's going on? Like before you type. Kathleen Freeman, what's up? Linda, Miles in the house. Real quick, just a little PSA. Since I got here's my Twitter handle. Give me a follow. I'm doing a giveaway over there as well. And just real quick, so I'm doing a giveaway over there. I'm going to draw that on Saturday. But real quick here, I'm just going to show you this. Wafa reported. I do have a scammer that actually blocked me, which is kind of funny. This is what they do. So I didn't know it. Every once in a while, what I'll do is I'll just type in my name to see who we have. So this person is trying to scam as me. You can see the @ handle @Pinetree_trader. That's not me. And then it says the main page, which is my own page. So pretty smart that they tried to do this. But yeah, they're obviously trying to scam people out of crypto, things like that. So this is not me. So if you're on Twitter, if you could do me a solid and report this person right here, and let's get him off X. Thank you. Appreciate that. A lot of scammers on X. Yeah. Just a reminder, guys, like, I'll never, like, you know, send you feet pics without you asking, or but yeah, no, I'll never, on a serious note, I'll never like reach out to you and, you know, ask you for money or anything like that, right? Like, I'll never do that. I'll never ask you guys for crypto or say, do you want to join my private mentorship? Everything that I want out there in public, I do it right here, right in front of you guys, right on camera usually. So I usually announce it. Like, if I have a winner of a giveaway or something, I announce it, and then I'll DM you or something. But besides that, it's not me. Trust me, it's not me. Aeromech Trader, thank you. Appreciate that. If I win that Lucid account, I'll send you feed pics. Dad trading stocks. No, thank you. If I can't find him on X, must be banned. Oh, he might be gone. Yeah, it might be. That'd be awesome. Yeah, it's something like Pinetree_trader or something like that. That was quick. Yeah, they're pretty fast about it. But yeah, this funny thing is they go in and they block you. So they'll impersonate you and then they block you, so that way you don't see their stuff. You never win. It's a little bit tricky. So yeah, so how was my day? Let's take a look at my accounts here real quick. Looking good, looking good. 2 pro accounts up above the buffers, looking to get those payouts. Builder account, payout ready. So this builder is payout ready. And then this My Funded Futures Flex account is right up there. So looking to get a payout on that bad boy. I need 2 more days of 150 bucks. 2 more days. What I didn't know is that I can actually push it a little more. The funny thing is I thought the max payout was $2,000 on the My Funded Futures Flex, but it's not. You actually can get up to 5,000, I believe. But we'll take the 2 grand if we get it. Pay myself some back a little bit. Nothing wrong with that. All right, we just bounced off the tick, 650 on the 5 minutes. I mean, NQ. So just bounced off the tick. I'm short. Ooh, I got in a little late there. A little late. Yeah, that was a little bit late on that short, but we'll try it. Eval, My Funded Futures Pro account. Little backup eval here. There we go. There's a nice 10 points there. We'll take that. We'll take that. I got in a little late on that entry. We could bounce right back up to my entry, but we'll take that to get started. It's trying to fill this gap right here. You see this? See the close, the market close? I'd be willing to bet it's trying to push down to another 20 points. Down around that 615. But we'll see. D-Bond, short 5 minis. Let's go. No, nothing wrong with that. What buyers are you today? Right now I'm looking for I'm just trying to trade what I see, and we're dumping off, trying to fill this gap. And then what I might look for is some sort of reversal back up into this gap. It's the same play as last night. Miss K, need 250 likes, only 66. Let's go, smash that like button. Did I trade MOC today? What a pump. No, I didn't. I did not trade MOC. I was not looking at the chart whatsoever. I was pretty much done this morning after stream. After my Funded Futures stream, I kind of got chopped up a little bit during that stream, and then I just quit for the day. Went to the gym, went to lunch, went to the Cheesecake Factory. I was good though at the Cheesecake Factory. I just had an appetizer. Although I did have some of that bread with that butter. I mean, that's too much to pass up. So I did get some of that in. So the gym workout, I'm gonna have to work out extra hard tomorrow, get on the bike. I got the chicken taquitos, but I probably wouldn't order them again. A little too spicy for me. Not up my alley. I usually just get the soup. I like the chicken soup. And then bread. But I've got some cheesecake. I did not get any cheesecake. I thought about it. I was so stuffed after I left. I think next time, oh, actually, what was it? July 30th is National Cheesecake Day. So I guess that's a Cheesecake Factory. It's all half off price. So I was like, well, maybe I'll go on the 30th to get my slice of cheesecake. The red velvet cheesecake sounded really good today. I do like a cheesecake. I also love, I mean, I love all desserts pretty much, but I also am a huge fan of carrot cake. Like a homemade carrot cake. I am like a huge fan of carrot cake. Delicious. When do you stream, John? Oh, as far as in the morning, My Funded Futures TV every morning at 10 a.m. And then Mondays, it's like right now, Mondays and Wednesdays at 9 a.m. for the round table. The pastas are really good there too. Yeah, it was actually red velvet's your favorite, Linda. Nice. Eat your cheesecake first. That's a hack right there, isn't it, Mambo? That's a hack. You eat your cheesecake first and then dessert first. I like that. All right, we didn't quite fill that the RTH gap, the regular trading hour gap. So when I say gap, it's like the regular trading hours, which is the 4 o'clock close for the stock market. That's what I'm talking about. Jip Smith in the house. What's going on? Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. What's up, Tommy C? So a little scalp short. Got 150 bucks. Got my 150 on that. Hit my my daily target of 150 on my, I got hit 165, but on this Flex account. So 2 more days of 150. How hard can it be? I've screwed that up a lot. All right, we're gonna bounce here, 632. I would like to see it fill this gap first. Go about another 20 points lower, right on that 615, 610, 600, and then look for a reversal. That's what I'd like to see happen here. Right now, it's probably gonna toy around, knowing that some people are probably looking for that. Linda, yeah. Pawn, sounds like me. If you save your salad for the last thing, then you have a healthy meal. Tricks your body. Yeah, right. Well, I can say one thing. You go to the Cheesecake Factory, it's you got to be a little careful. That's for sure. With the old calories. If you're counting calories at the Cheesecake Factory, you be careful. Jip Smith, what's going on? 153 people, 81 likes. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, giving away a 50K Lucid Pro account. All right, 636.75, pushing down. What's gold up to? Actually, I'm kind of curious. Ooh, yeah, gold just hovering around that 4,000. Never got below it. Hovering about right at 4,050. Looks absolutely dead right now. Remember, gold used to be good during the Globex Open. Now it just sucks. Shown, smash it. Yeah, we'll do a giveaway 845 or 745. All right, this is 624. What an open. It's a repeat of last night, isn't it? Does it look familiar? This is a little more down, though. This is a little more straight down, but this is last night. I got stopped out like in long now. I never see an uptick. Yeah. RX. Oh, no worries, Dad. Trading stonks. We'll do a giveaway. How's the combos treating me? Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Been trading those bull flags, bear flags. Just trying to catch momentum. 2-minute Harami's been paying really well. Bottom tick every time. Oof. Yeah, see, I mean, personally, I'm horrible at getting in on pullbacks. If I have a long bias or bearish bias, trying to get in on those, if we pump and then a retracement and then try to short, or I'm just horrible. That's why I like to try to trade on the momentum, but then that can burn me too. So, I mean, I don't know. Everyone can make money in this market. It's just, it's a little unlucky sometimes, RX, you know? A little unlucky. Oof. You were right, though. Time to go long. No signal, though. No Harami or outside bar or something like that to take me to the upside. Just a bullish candle here. This trapped me a few times last night when I tried to do the same thing, where I tried to long here looking for the gap fill up above 709. I tried to get that gap fill a few times and failed until the Asia Open. And then the Asia Open at 7 p.m., it ripped right up through. Hey, let's go, Cali St. Louis fan. Got your first Lucid payout today. Guys, smash the confetti for Cali St. Louis fan. Got his very first Lucid payout. Let's go. FX bro in the house. What's up? Oof, what a bounce here. 624. Yeah, congratulations. No more gray. Yeah. How was my day? Good. Yeah, locked in the payout. Was green on everything else. I really only traded my funded futures today. There's my accounts here. They're all sitting pretty good. These are the funded ones right here. Maybe I can lock in a builder payout tonight. Another builder payout with this account. $8.95. I gotta make 1,080. You can use 2 minis, so it is possible if you catch the right move. FX bro is in the house. King Caesar at MNQ, you trading along the bounce scale and 3 micro. Oh, 3 micros long. Nice. King Caesar. Yeah, that's nice. Nice long there. Trying to V bottom here. Very bullish on the market close. Interesting that we had the gap down. I take it is from Intel earnings. Madi in the house. We will do a members only race as well. So 2 giveaways tonight. One for you poors and one for the members. I'm just joking. One for the poors and one for the members. It's all good. Zero in the house. What's up? Not interesting, and it's a must situation. Every time I buy, it never upchecks. Yeah, you just got to do the opposite. Every time you think, I'm going to go long, just go short. Are you trying to buy dips? Is that what you're trying to do? Is trying to buy the dips, or I'm just curious, like what was you like what were you trying to buy? Some sort of, like, what are you using? Are you using like a pivot point? Are you using someone's indicator that puts lines on the chart that don't really work? Or all your verses after they stop me out of the bottom tick? Yeah. Did the opposite, short it and jumps 100 points 10 seconds after you. Well, maybe you just only short. Woo, look at this. 2-minute Harami here. I gotta pay attention here. Damn it. 10 points. I gotta pay attention to this chart. Hmm. 3/3 of accounts have already done before going to bed. Can't tell I'm gonna be up all night. Asia been so nice lately. Oh, nice. Yeah, Asia's been pretty good. Last night was nice. I made the majority of my money last night in Asia. I usually trade a couple hours after the stream. So usually I hop off stream, I take a break, I go eat dinner, and then I usually hop on the PC and trade from my laptop a little bit. And I make a lot of trades during that time. And then New York, I usually wait for the New York Open and try to trade a little bit more. I'm a long here. You join me long? Yeah, I'm just thinking I don't like it. I liked how that kind of reversed that Harami, but the better move probably would have been wait for the break of the 77. Well, we'll see. I mean, it is trying to push up. We do have the open gap up there, 709s. Bunch of zero prints, single prints up and through here. See if we can start to squeeze. I felt like this was this faked out some people, so that's why. There we go. Let's go. It's 15 points. 0 with a gifted membership. Caveman. welcome to the Pinecone crew. Let's go. Thank you, Zero. This is a 15-pointer. I might look for the high, but I'm gonna look for the gap fill. There's 20 points almost, not quite. 92.25 would be 20 points. So I'm gonna close this. 15 points. We'll see what it wants to do. It could pull back and right back here into 73. It could reload. Or it could run that high. I don't know. We'll take that. First signal bot with you, Pine. Thank you, Sweaty. Yeah, don't copy my trades. I suck. Sweaty Sketty in the house. What's going on? I have a feeling we might do the same yesterday. Feel the gap keep going down after. Yeah, we could. Close 380. Yeah, we'll reset and hunt new. Yeah, nice. King Caesar. Nice trade off that low. I like to use 3 to 5 con micros on 50Ks. Nice. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. What's up? What's up? Guys, exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Make sure you like before you type, though. Like before you type. 50K Lucid Flex Pro. You curious why I long? Just kind of like price action. Just we swept down below this Harami here. Immediately bounced and just kind of put in that hammer, and to me that was a sign of momentum to the upside. So just kind of reading that price action a little bit. Yeah, no combo or anything like that. Like before you type. That's right. I'm gonna say that all the time thanks to Miss K. Do I stream New York session? Yeah, I do every single morning. My Funded Futures TV. I'm on there by myself, 10 a.m. So it's pretty much the same as this stream. All right, so locked in a payout. Up 440 on this one. And got a days traded on this one. So 165 on that one. Tomorrow's Friday. I probably won't touch my pros. I've been doing, I don't know what it is. I've been doing horrible on Fridays. So I'm just going to lock those up. Yeah, Leech's futures traders. Yeah, it's becoming a lot. They're going to want me to possibly, hopefully, thanks to you guys because of your support, really. They're going to want me to do an hour and a half every day on My Funded Futures TV. So stay tuned for that. Maybe. It's nothing's final yet, but it could be down the road. Hour and a half every morning. Oof. Thought I was like instinct. Yeah, I trade like that a lot, Hoover, where I trade on momentum. Sometimes people were like, oh, like even my own brother or trading buddy Terry or whatever be like, well, why'd you take that trade? And I'm like, well, I thought it was going up. I thought it was going up, or I thought it was going down. And if you have nice volatility, nice momentum candles, You take like something like this where it just starts ripping. You go, yeah, I'm just gonna pull the trigger. Maybe I catch a nice little move to the upside. It's nice to, I can do that pretty well with NASDAQ, but anything else I can't really do that with. I'm horrible at doing it with YM or ES or gold or anything like that. So NASDAQ, I can get away with it because sometimes you can be wrong about the direction and still have a winning trade depending on how many points you're looking for and what your risk to reward is and that kind of stuff. So I guess that's why we love NASDAQ. With extra pay, what's 2 hours? Yeah. Well, yeah. So it's so my stream is 30 minutes a week. But yeah, when you do that, it burns your ass. Yeah, it can. Hey, what's good? Yeezus in the house. What's going on? Ask him to give you more accounts for the giveaways. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I gotta reach out. I've had no luck doing that, so I feel like I'm gonna be blacklisted pretty soon. But if I'm not careful. Bingo bango, Keegan. Yeah, so yeah, that's gonna be on the morning. That morning roundtable. They want to do it. Maybe they might be having me do that every day. I don't know. We'll see. Nothing's set yet, but just rumors. Short MES. Good luck. Little bull flag here, perhaps. Try another long. See if I get tagged in here. Oh, come on, man. All right, I'm tagged in. Long. Just kind of looking a little bull flaggish. Maybe we get that continuation. I might just scalp though. I don't like this rejection here. Hey, Johnny buys land in the house. What's going on? I don't like that rejection on that 2 minute. Look at this nasty spread. I'm almost better off trading micros. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Lucid Pro account, 50K, up for grabs tonight. Hit like before you type, though. Yes. And then here it goes, bouncing right back. Dirty, dirty. So, starting to get that little chop going on. Maybe we roll over here. I'm watching the 5. Market looks like it's frozen again. God, I hate that. I hate it when it does that. Like, you're getting some pretty good action. It is, you know, decent movement here, and then it just dies. I hate that. Bernard McAdoo, what's going on? Feels like some of you are racing 10 mooses against 1 moose. No. Everyone gets the same. Hey, I have a question. Since you have passed 100 of evals, hundreds, yeah, thank you. That's being nice. I have a Lucid Pro that had DLL today with 1280 loss for the day. Is it best to just take into account balance? I have a Lucid Pro today with 1280 loss for the day. No, the reason why I actually like, if you hit daily loss limit on the Lucid Pros, you can pass those in 1 day, right? So the nice thing is, if you get a nice start, say tonight or tomorrow, you're gonna have a lot more buffer to work with. So if you actually get it up back to that starting balance, then you're gonna have a lot more drawdown, and you can work with because you won't have that DLL to mess with. So I've actually passed a lot of accounts after I hit daily loss limit. My Fund Futures used to have an account that had a daily loss limit, and I passed a lot of those after hitting DLL on day 1. Can't remember what account that was, but yeah. 1180, that's quite a bit. 1180 worth of drawdowns. Quite a bit. You catch one nice trade, and then you just build upon that buffer. Now you have no more daily loss limit to work with. So it's gone, because now the account, the daily loss limit would be liquidated. Is liquidation. So let's just say you make $2,000. Now you have $2,000 plus 1180, so say 3180 to work with, and you can build possibly pass that account on that day, because now you have all that drawdown to work with, if that makes sense. Because, and then even if you slip a little bit, you're not going to have to worry about that daily loss limit. So I've actually passed a lot of accounts after hitting daily loss limit on day 1, especially the day 1 pass ones. What's up, Stevie J in the house? TJP in the house. All right, getting those numbers up. Miss K says 200 people. Top Step, yeah. Oh yeah, for their Project SlipX, yeah. Hey, Coach Fred in the house. What's up, man? Yeah, so I just keep trading that account. Johnny buys land, if that was me. All right, there we go. Finally. Let's go. I'm gonna take profit here. I don't know why. Up 835 now. We'll take that. Rejected right at the high. I think we go through and fill that gap. I just don't know. I think it's going to play some games before we do. It always does. Tony Lane's in the house. Sean, what's up? Rinse and repeat. Yeah, exactly. Probably if it's a nice little cover there, or a nice little, I wanted to hold it. I felt like it was going to push up through there, and then I go, well, it's probably going to play some games. You kind of see it playing games all the time before the Asia, which is in an hour and 10 minutes. Guys, thank you for using code PINE. If you pick up any accounts, help support the stream, and the X account and the Twitter. I mean, the X account and the Instagrams and the TikToks and all the short videos and content that I try to make for you guys. Appreciate using code PINE if you're picking up any of those accounts tonight. My Funny Futures, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Bulanox, Trade Day. Trade Day, PINE with a capital P. PINE with a capital P. It's the only way Trade Day works. PINE with a capital P. Thank you, King Caesar. Yeah, currently up 835. Kind of grinding this account a little bit. Yeah, a big P. PINE with a big P. I got to make another short video, so I'm trying to put out a daily video, short. Now, I don't have any recorded today, so tomorrow morning after My Funny Futures TV, I'm gonna have to do some recording, or maybe I'll do some tonight, depending on how I feel. I plan on going out and have a cocktail after the stream, so I'm gonna go to a little restaurant. Gonna have a cocktail. I'm probably gonna eat something light though. I'm not that hungry. Filled up on too much cheesecake bread. Cheesecake Factory bread, I should say. During my mall walk. On trade day, if I made the 750 for the 5 days, if I would draw 250, will that leave me with only 1750 to draw down or 400? Oh, this must be a 20. Is this a 25K account, Miss K? This must be a 25K. 50K? God, I'm so unfamiliar with the new plans. No, it would be whatever your. No, it would be. So if you're at 1750, no, it should be either 100 or 0 would be your whatever the balance would be. So it wouldn't be 400. So if you take 200 or 250 minus the 1750, I think that your drawdown would be 0. I don't know anything about the new plan so much because I I'm still on cooldown period. They're gonna need to let me back in. So the 50K. But when don't you have to get it? What am I missing? Don't you have to get it up above $2,000 though to take the payout? Or is this new? Oh, this is the fast pass. Okay, I think this is the fast pass. Yeah, okay, yeah. I don't, yeah, that's a good question. Ooh, look at we getting that push up. We're gonna fill that gap. What's up, Barbie? Let's see here. Did they get rid of this? Am I missing something here? Did they get rid of the fast pass and all that good stuff? The fast pass versus... Because I'm only seeing one option here. Quick pay. Yeah, I think they got rid of it. I can't even look it up. Sign into my account. Oh, yeah. Look what happens when I try to sign in. Your account is suspended. It's because I blew that live account with them. They didn't like that. I gotta contact them, I guess. Fast track stole the fast pass. Yeah. Oh yeah. I can't even sign in, Miss K. I'm sorry. This is ridiculous. I would think that that your drawdown would be zero, like the zero, not 400. I would think. So I would think that it would leave you with that buffer to work on another payout. But I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. They do have a Discord, Miss K. Are you in their Discord? I can, I'll put the trade day Discord in the chat. Here you go. There's a trade days Discord. They do have a live Discord, so you might be able to find someone in there that could answer. Maybe. Oh, someone just mentioned they don't see the fast pass. They're not seeing it on the website. That's funny. Yeah, no problem, Miss K. Nice little pump here. Oh, yeah, geez, we're feeling that, or pushing into that gap now. Son of a gun. Nice little combo break here. Oh, I blew a trade day funded. Yeah, so I took about 6K from them, Caveman. Congratulations on winning that membership, by the way. So I took about 6K from them. They moved me to live, and then ended up blowing the live account, and then they haven't allowed me to take get another account back. So yeah, it was the live account that I blew, not the funded, that put me in timeout. I was pretty profitable with them. I really didn't spend much money with them. Look at all these single prints down here. I would like to try to hop in right here before we fill that open gap. But I don't know if we're going to be able to have the chance. Heck with it, I'm hopping in, risking it. This is a risky trade. Probably tag that 32. Woo, come on, doggy. Get up there. 5-minute gap filled. Look for the 2-minute to get gap to fill. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. There we go. All right, up 941 tonight on this pro account. My Funny Futures. Nice. Breathe and relax. I had to pucker up a little bit on that trade. I was at full clench. I gotta say, evaluate continuation individually. Strangely intensive process. Yeah, I fully degen those that live account. I took some nice payouts with it, and then I was paying myself every week for 4 weeks with the live account. So for 4 weeks, I paid myself a weekly paycheck, and then one day I just went full degen and completely destroyed the account in 2 days. First day, I didn't kill it. The next day I came back and I made sure I stuck a dagger in it. So the first day I kind of shot it a little bit. You know, I poked some holes in it. And then I came back the next day and I made sure I really stabbed it to death. That's how I killed that live account. All right, nice, some nice trades tonight so far. Up, almost got the bag here. 941, almost secured the bag. Do we push up and kind of cover this area here above 950s, 963s, or did we just gonna fill the gap and then roll back over? That is the question. I'm looking for bots. Oh, Yo Jim. Hey, Yo Jim. Let's smash some confetti for Yo Jim. Yo Jim says that he just qualified for his 4th Lucid Flex payout this week. Holy cow. Let's go. Smash the confetti, guys. 4 payouts. Amazing, Yo Jim. Nice work. Were you pissed at myself? Nah. Not really. I mean, it is what it is. Like when I lost that account. Ooh, look at this 2-minute Hirame here. I'm gonna switch to this account. I'm gonna hop in shorts. About 10 points lower than what I'd like. Let's see if we get a rollover here. I'm gonna scale into this one too. There we go. All right, I'm taking that off there at 700s. So this little scalp there. So up 170 on that one. 941 on this one. Keeping it moving. Big outside bar on the 5. Hey, Kelly Kaufman in the house. You still trading Apex? Yeah, I just blew my... Yeah, that's... So 3 days ago, I blew my Apex account. Something happened, guys. Something happened. Full honesty. Full honesty. I don't know what I did. I have a feeling I know what I did. But because I wasn't using the ATM brackets here, I was copy trading some Apex accounts using Trade-of-8. And I had 5 funded accounts and 5 evals, and I was working on all 10. And I went to place a trade, and I won the trade, $450, 25 pointer. on NASDAQ, I was like, all right, I'm done the trade. Well, when I got in the trade, I placed a stop loss and a take profit. And so I said, well, that's one trade a day. I was going back to how I got that 57K Apex payout. So what I was trying to do is just the one trade a day and then just, you know, win or loss and be done. I came back the next day, all the accounts were blown. I think I left my order on because what I did is manually set. So let's just say I went in long here. I manually set a stop loss and then I manually set a take profit. And when I hit take profit, I think I forgot to take off my sell order down here or whatever it was. I think I forgot to take it off. And then I ended up closing out the charts and it came and hit my sell order or whatever. And then the market probably rallied and killed my accounts. It's, yeah, that happened Wednesday or no, Tuesday. So yeah, I looked into it and I said I placed an order. And because I didn't have the brackets, I know that's what I did. I left that order on, so blew all the accounts. Thankfully, there were Apexes, and I only paid $56 for them, so not the end of the world. Still a little expensive mistake, but not the end of the world. Like if I did that on these pro accounts that were way over buffer, you know, like this one that's up. This one should qualify for a $10,000 payout. So if I did that, then I'd probably cry a little bit. There'd probably be a little bit of tears, especially when it's something I didn't do. If I blow it on my own, then fine. But if I'm gonna do the blowing, it's gonna be on me, okay? I don't want no incidental blowing going on. All right, 2-minute Harami here, paying the bills once again. Boy, these have really been working well during the Globex Open. I mean, yeah, during the Globex Open and also during New York. These purple Harami candles. You can see the nice moves off them. This one kind of failed. We actually took the long off it. But this one, nice move off that one. This one, you got a beautiful move off it. 720 down to 690 right now and continuing to go. This could be the high for a while. I don't know, but this could be. But yeah, it sucked. What an exit on the long gap fill. Oh, thanks. Yeah, that's all I was looking for was the gap fill. Same thing happened to you once before, ready to get an order. Yeah. So I have had that happen to me before, and oh, so this happened to me once with Take Profit Trader. That they used to have a hard breach for Take Profit Trader if you left an order on, or after the market closes, it would blow your account. And so I took a trade about 15 minutes before the market closed and closed it out. And Take Profit Trader, I'm always doing this, you know, I'm always doing the exit all every single time, you know. And so I did that, and I know I was flat. Well, anyways, I was sitting there at night, and it was a pro account funded over the buffer, and I got an email saying that your accounts were blown. And I'm like, what? Oh, because you left an order on overnight or whatever after the market closed. I'm like, there's no way. And I contested it, and I won. Turns out there was a glitch. So I ended up getting my accounts back. And this was before I was famous. Just kidding, I'm not famous. I'm famous amongst my little pinecone bubble. What indicator is this? Yeah, this is called Ed of the Woods Harami. Ed of the Woods was actually in the chat yesterday. Ed of the Woods Harami is the inventor of this indicator. If you just go to community indicators and type in Harami, you can just see it right here. You can just download it right there. Give it a shot. It's pretty cool. Just throw it on your chart on that 2-minute chart and just watch it and check it out. It works pretty well. I mean, we see we're trying to break it to the upside now. I feel like I've just been trading a lot already tonight. It's like up and down, which is not a bad thing. But it's one of those deals where the more you trade, the more likely you might give back some. But 3-bar setup again. Yep. For sure. Yeah, that 3-bar setup right here up and through that high TJP was this inside, outside, inside, just banged. Probably better than the 2-bar setup. I agree. It probably is. Yeah, it probably is. I learned my lesson, started exiting all positions after every trade. But does it, so here's the thing, if you do it, if you're copy trading and you do it once, so let's just say I had all these copy traded to this one account. If I do this, I think it only does it for this account, or am I wrong? Or do you have to go in every individual account and do it? I can't remember. They need to fix it. They need to make it better. I know they probably want to, but if they can make this so that way we can just use ATM brackets and be able to copy trade these accounts more easily, things like that, it'll be awesome. It does it all for all of them. Okay. Am I gonna buy the Apex Legacies? Probably. Yeah, probably. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna look into it. I'm gonna get a few payouts in Mana. So I'm gonna get a few payouts, hopefully. I'm getting one tomorrow. So I'm getting one payout tomorrow. I really wanna see if I can get some of these bigger payouts. And then I'm gonna reinvest into some more accounts. So on my funded futures right now, I have, I think it's this builder. Yeah, so I just qualified for a payout on this account right here, 987, 62. I could take it right now, but I'm going to take it on my funded futures TV tomorrow morning to, you know, for helping the channel sales. So I'll take that out tomorrow. But yeah, I just qualified for this one. Little builder payout, 3 days. You really can't beat that. I passed the account on the 21st, hit 1,040. The next day hit 1,037, and then I made $9 last night. So 3 days to a payout. My funded futures builder, pretty awesome. End of day drawdown. But yeah, smacked that one. And you know what the best thing about that account? The best thing was that was a reset from the Friday Trade-of-8 debacle. So what Trade-of-8 messed up, that was an eval that I blew. I got it back and then I took it to payout. So let's go. Oh, test it, John. I'd have to play some. Hey, if you guys know how to copy trade with Trade-of-8? If you don't, I'm gonna show you how right now, because people ask me this all the time. Actually, if you don't know how to copy trade with Trade-of-8, here you go. click on your accounts, click on manage groups, you name the group, you name it, use code PINE. It's the only way it works. If you name it, use code PINE. If you name it like save now or something, then it won't work. And I hit OK. And then let's see, you go to your accounts and just slide them over. Boom, boom. So let's just say I want to copy trade these two accounts right here, these two evals. Hit save. And then you go down, back up to this account, you go down to use code PINE, and then you have to be on one of those accounts that you hit save. So now I have two accounts I want to copy trade. Now, if I want to copy trade them, I have to use two. So let's just say I want to use one mini per account. Then you have to go two here. So one mini per account. So that's two. If I want to use two minis per account, then you'd have to do 4. And then, or how many accounts that you have. So if you have 5 accounts, then you got it, and then you want to trade one mini, you go 5. If you want to trade 2 minis, you go 10. Like that. So you do that. And then you can get in an order. So let's just say you place an order here. And let me see if I go over here, this account. And if I go to exit all. All right, so let me go back to that account. Yeah, it worked. So yeah, I guess I just didn't hit exit all like an idiot. So yeah. Oh well. Well, yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, I can long again, RX. Yeah, I could. We were looking a little bearish, like we're rolling over. We gapped down for a reason. And so I feel like the market, we never quite filled the open, the regular trading hours gap, the RTH gap, which was right around, I think, 615. So I think it's right around 615. 71 points down. We never quite filled it. We stayed green, popped about 10 points above it, and continued to go higher. So I'm wondering if we're going to continue to roll over. I don't really know. We're kind of putting in going to be right in the middle of this range here. So the problem is that all my levels, and I generally don't have targets and stuff in mind. But man, do I trade much better if I have specific targets and areas on the chart, like these open gaps. I think that I was thinking about this the other day. If I only waited for a gap every single open, and if there's no gap, then I don't trade. If there's a gap or something on the chart, then that's the only time I trade, because I do trade much better when I have specific targets in mind. I want to copy trade both my funded accounts, but I don't want to blow them at the same time. Just watching, yeah, there's definitely rotating accounts. I've been rotating these accounts around. So but with Apex, I like to have multiple accounts, and I like to trade them fairly small and with a system. So where I'm looking for like $400 or $500, or say $300 to $500 for take profit, and then my stop loss is usually around $300 to $400, and then I just try to do that over and over and over again, and then that's how I usually trade my Apex accounts. Where these accounts I've been slinging around, like these funded accounts, I've been slinging around individually. I haven't been copy trading them at all. That's why I didn't have a copy trader set up on these pros. If I have, let's just say, take profit trader accounts over the buffer, 5 of those take profit trader accounts over the buffer. So let's say I have 50K accounts. All 5 of them, or 2 of them, or 3 of them, are over 52,000, so $2,000, and I'm getting daily payouts on them. Then I like to copy trade those accounts together once I'm over the buffer. But to get over the buffer, I trade each individual account So that way I don't just blow them all at once when I'm trying to aggressively get them over that $2,000 mark, if that makes sense. So I kind of go back and forth on the copy trading. So I don't blame you. And there is an advantage to rotating your accounts around. There is. Three candle setup on the 2 minute. Yeah. It's getting choppy. Getting kind of nasty. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're going to do a giveaway pretty soon. I might take off a little bit early. We're going to do 2 giveaways. One for members only. One for the rest of you guys. But yeah, that three indicator combo, it is something to watch, right, TJP and Ryan? I mean, I might sit there tonight and just kind of go back and look for those, because you're talking about an extra confluences. So you got this one, this one, this one, and then boom, and then you go back here. Let's see, this one, this one, this one, and then boom. So you never know. All right, this one failed. This one, this one, this one failed. This one, this one, this one. This one we got a nice little pop off from. Nice little scalp. Same with this one. This one, this one, this one. Boom. Might be something to it. I like it. I love seeing things like this. This one. So when you get into multiple haramis, though, it looks like it's... So, I don't know, maybe the inside-outside bar harami combo. This one right here, boom, boom, boom. This one absolutely kabooshed off that one. You got a nice bingo bango trade off that. All right, Cali St. Louis fan, thank you for coming a member. Appreciate the support. It's not because I'm doing a members only giveaway, right? It's just because... Nah, I'm just kidding. How often does this gap fill setup happen and win? I think it's... you know, I don't really know. I think someone said... I don't know. I don't want to quote you because I quote anyone because I'm not sure. That's something that you'd have to probably look at... Edgeful or something. Rejoined. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you were a member before. Thank you. I don't know if anyone knows that statistic. Someone that's probably subscribed to Edgeful or something that would know. But I've heard 70-80%. And there's different statistics on that Ike DC, where if it's a gap down, it's a different statistic whether it, or if it's a gap up. So if it's a gap up versus whether it's a gap down, an open gap for the Sunday night open, there's a different statistic to it. But there is definitely some probabilities there. My thing is, like, once it starts to get up there, you know, that's kind of like, all right, well, that's the target, you know, because like once it starts to get in it, it's like, all right, well, why would we just, if it's a small enough gap now, if it's 100 points or something, then it is possible that, and I've seen it where we go say half gap, because there's a statistic for half gap too. So let's just say we had a half gap. Let's pretend that this is like 100-point gap, right? Let's pretend that's 100 something points. That's pretty significant. You know, that's a pretty significant gap. So I've seen it where, you know, you get a Sunday night open and it pushes up, fills the half gap, rolls back down, and then never looks back for sometimes days until you get some sort of catalyst like CPI data, something like that. And then all of a sudden it'll V bottom and just rip and then end up filling that gap or something like that. So I've seen that a lot. Inside outside harami equals full pork. Have you taken a look at Funded Next? Yeah, I mean, yeah. I don't know. Maybe. I mean, I've been talking to them, but I feel like they're mad at me because they reached out to me like a month and a half ago, and the affiliate manager, and I ghosted them so that I wasn't in the mood. Oh yeah, it was a month ago, June 8th. Yeah, I ghosted them. they texted me. So yeah, I gotta look into them maybe. Funded X, yeah. Yeah, I see a lot of people affiliating with them lately. So, and they've been around for a little while now. Has anyone had any issues with Funded Next? Anyone in my community in the chat right now, speak up. I want to hear. Have you had any issues with Funded Next? Like something weird? Like, don't they have a weird rule? I need to trade with them because that's what I like to do. I like to trade with them. Who gave me my first affiliate code? Probably Apex or Bilanox. Never used Funded Next, to be honest. You like Funded Next? Funded Ticks? Yeah, Funded Ticks changed their rules. Funded Ticks is gone. Funded Ticks is now like hiding under Funded Pips again. Customer service is great. All right. Well, I mean, maybe I'll reach back out to them. As long as they don't want to pay me in crypto or something. I might even have a code with Funded Next, to be honest with you guys. I did talk to them once before, and then I ghosted them again, and then let me look. See if I can sign in. I do have a sign in. I've never bought an account from them yet. But I mean, if you guys would use my code, I guess, and you guys are happy with them, then I'd probably give them a shot. So I just signed into the account. I know one of you guys told me that I used my code and I had a code. I don't even know how to sign into my affiliate account though. Oh, I have a partner login. I didn't even know that. I call it partners. Huh. Yeah, I'll look into it, guys. You guys seem to be happy with them. I'll look into it. Market just got really choppy. So anyways, guys are just tuning in. Play some nice trades. 1,058. I'm up on this account. 170 bucks on that account. Up 941 on this bad boy. Locked in another day's traded on the My Funded Futures Flex. I'm still working on some take profit trader evals. And right now that's the only accounts I have. I have I'm loaded up with My Funded Futures accounts. And I have take profit trader accounts, evals. Oh, here we go. We're starting to drop now. So there we go. Use Copine 4 times this week. Let's go. Corey Jenkins in the house. Appreciate you, my friend. All right, let's look into doing some giveaways here. I'm ready for a drink. I don't know about you guys. Maybe you're already drinking. Who's having a cocktail right now? All right, how many people we got watching here? Where's our likes at? Smash that like button. 224 people watching. $219 likes, guys. Smash that like button. Let's see if we can get it up to at least 225. We got 225 watching. Ricardo's so drunk right now. He's just like, don't drink and trade. No. Alcohol destroys you. Yeah. Thank you, Kathleen. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. That was because I went long again. Oh yeah. I think you just gotta go short. Like only take short. It's gonna be a beer and a hot dog as soon as I'm done trading. Let's go, OMH. No cocktail. Oh yeah, someone asked me what my favorite drink is. Moscow Mule. That's my favorite drink. Moscow Mule. That's my favorite cocktail. I am a beer drinker too, but lately I'm kind of staying away from the beer. Kind of just messes with my stomach a little bit, so I just go with a Moscow Mule. And I don't really drink on weeknights, every once in a while, but yeah, I don't really drink on weeknights. I stay pretty disciplined. But I will have a drink or two during the weekends. Moscow Moose, that's right. Kombucha lemonade. Ooh, kombucha. You taking a short? Stop at the high. Let's go. At work, so it's frowned here. Yeah. Boy, it was frowned at the post office too. But man, a lot of people. Let's just say a lot of carriers got in trouble for that, but or at least came back smelling. I don't know. I mean, that's why your Amazon packages is probably all messed up a little bit. I don't know. I'm just saying. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button real quick. Let's start I'm gonna reset the giveaway as soon as we get those likes up. Because we had almost 400 people in the giveaway, and I know I don't have 400 people watching, so do me a favor, get those likes up. I'd like to see 250, but we only have 230 watching, so do me a solid, get that YouTube featured. Giving away a Lucid 50K Flex. I mean, no, sorry, Lucid 50K Pro. Lucid 50K Pro. I am giving away a Lucid 50K Flex over on my X. So if you guys want to follow me at Pine Tree Trader, there's the link. That's the real me. The link is in the chat. I'm doing a giveaway over there as well. Be drawing that Saturday. All right, some pretty good trading tonight. I'm really happy on where my accounts are standing right now. I'm really going to try to finish off the week strong. I've been getting demolished on Fridays, kind of been tilting. So I feel like I'm in a little bit of a groove again. I'm back in the groove, a payout groove. So I want to lock those in for next week. We locked one in today, so let's just do a giveaway here. But let's exclamation point pine in the chat. Let's do it. Shotgun here. Once we get to shotgun, so once we get to 240 people in the giveaway, I'm stopping it. No, 250. I'm gonna get 250. 250 people. 250 people, I'm stopping it. Exclamation point pine in the chat. All right, I got 223 in there. Exclamation point pine, exclamation point pine. 232. Looking for 10 more. We're coming rolling in now. All right, closing entries. Closing entries. All right. Let's do a giveaway. This is a banger account to get. So good luck, everyone. Lucid Pro account. Thank you for using code PINE to make this happen. Oh wait, that didn't work. Bear with me, guys. Sorry. What's going on? What is going on? I can't only do 100 names? What is up? What is happening? Why can't I only do 100 names? Why is it only... It's showing 253 entries, and then I can only see 100 names. We might have to do it a different way. What is happening? Is it on everyone or is it members? It's on everyone. They just updated this whole thing, and now three different giveaways. I wish. Duck Premium. Maybe it's glitched. Try refreshing. Yeah. Oh, why? I wonder, is this why Alpine did the forms the other day? I wonder. Do a pine race. Just do it with 100. I think it'll, let me, that, like, I'm just gonna pick a winner, guys. This is not gonna be the winner. I'm just gonna try something here real quick. Let me just do this. All right. I want to check something. Yeah, that's not working either. Like, I mean, it's working, but it's... Whoa, this is stupid. This has never happened. All right, I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm just gonna me close it all out, like, completely. Sorry, I don't know what's going on. Me look at this here. All right, let's try it again. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Pick some winner. Yeah, I know, but it only pulled from the 100 that was in it. So, like, it only like there was 250 people, and I got 250 people watching, so it only pulls. I think it's working now. I think it glitched out. Let me just see. Yeah, it's working now. It glitched. I never had that happen, so it's working. All right, closing entries. I got Over 250. All right. That was weird. No, it did it again. All right, I'm sorry. We're gonna do a giveaway, but I don't know what is going on. I'll show you what I'm doing. All right. Right here, stream. This is what happens. You guys put in the thing, and then it gives you the names right here. What, I don't know what I'm missing. And then what I do is I just do this, and I copy paste all the names into the race, and that's it. That's what I do. It says I have 254 people that just entered, but when I tried to scroll this, it doesn't work. It doesn't let me scroll all the people. I wonder. So so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick 10 winners here, and then we're gonna run the race. So let me just see. Hopefully it's gonna pick from the full pool. I apologize. I don't know what else to do. So anyways, NQ Bull Bear, let me fire this up. You're the first contestant on The Price is Right. So we're gonna do NQ Bull Bear is gonna be the first contestant. So there you go. Boom. There's the first one. The next person, Daniel. It's a pain in the ass. I'm sorry, guys. This is stupid. I'll have to figure that out. Michelle NQ. Congrats. George 0197. Congrats. Bodine. Congrats. Yeah, I'll figure out something else for the next giveaway. Well, we're gonna do one after this. Yusuf. There we go. Congrats. Liquidity Legend. Congrats, you're in the race. Edge Storm. You're in the race. Candle King Trader. You're in the race. Oh, genius. Let's go. You're in the race. Regular listener there. All right, that's 10. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Good luck to you 10. Sorry I couldn't just run the whole race, all 250 of you. I don't know. I'll have to look into, I don't know. It might be a new thing with the this new platform. All right, good luck. We are gonna do a members only race after this. Stay tuned. Who's it gonna be? 9 seconds, 7 seconds. We got Yusuf and Edge Storm fighting for the lead, but NQ Bull Bear coming out of nowhere. Oh, NQ Bull Bear. Congratulations. You just won yourself a 50K Lucid Pro. Congrats. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. NQ Bull Bear, I'll get back to you in just a second. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you're a member. Members only race. What is this? I'm gonna try something here, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We get all the members in there. NQ Bull Bear, the winner of the last one, email me at pinetreetrader207@gmail.com and just give me a screenshot of your channel. So just give me a little screenshot of your channel so that way I know it's you. PinetreeTrader207@gmail.com. All right, we got all the members in there. All right. Whoops. I was looking at something. All right, let's do another race here. Let's do a camel race. Actually, let's do never done this one. All right, good luck, members. Same thing, 50K. It's a 50K Lucid Pro. Ooh, spaceship race. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? Who's gonna be the winner? Looks like iTrades. Tony Lanes came in second place. iTrades, congratulations. Congrats. iTrades, are you in the Discord? See, I finished last. Heather finished last place. Send me a Gmail. All right, cool. I'll take care of that since I'm hopping off streams. iTrades, what's your handle in Discord? That'll be easy. Just DM me. Check my DM. I don't got you yet. iTrades? Yeah, I don't see you yet. Giveaway's over, Twin TWN, but we'll be doing more giveaways for sure. How to be a member? You just click down on YouTube somewhere on the video. You can see the little money symbol. All right, I got you, iTrades. Thank you. I got you. All right, cool, guys. Thank you so much for being here. What an amazing week. I'm going to go get some dinner. Appreciate everyone stopping in. We'll do it again tomorrow morning, My Funny Futures TV. If you guys are just tuning in, not only did we do some giveaways, we also made some banger trades. Up 941 on this account, up 170 on this account, up 165 on this account. I just need 2 more days to get a payout on that one, and then bang, smacked a payout on this account. So we'll be taking that tomorrow morning live on My Funny Futures TV. So I'm not just a pretty face that gives away accounts. We also can make some trades some nights, do okay. So, but here we go. Thank you guys so much for joining me. What an amazing week. I thought this week was really great. Enjoy your weekend if I don't see you again. But I'm planning on putting out some more of those short videos. So I hope you guys are enjoying those little tips, because they do take some time to do. So I hope you guys enjoy those. And I will see you Sunday night for the Sunday Night Open right here on this channel. If not, I'll see you tomorrow morning on My Funded Futures TV at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you for using code PINE if you're picking up any accounts. Appreciate that. Code PINE, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Buellnox, Tradeify, Lucid. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right? I'll message you guys the winners here in just a second. Peace.
From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdraw requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5.